feed the birds with me with this Dreamdrawer Squirrel-proof bird feeder. I'm Brittany with WTI. And this little bird feeder is going to blow your mind. It looks small, but it actually has a huge capacity of holding a lot of bird seeds. You just lift up the top, slide it down. You have a high quality metal cord. You can now just hang up in your tree. I loved how this looked at the end of our patio in our tree. It was such a nice addition. This is squirrel proof because anything heavier than a bird, it is going to slide that platform down and close off access to the food. So those greedy squirrels are not going to take seeds away from my feathery friends. I just loved watching them enjoy their little snack. And when it runs low, I was able to just lift it up, get on a ladder and fill it up with ease. It is just such a simple, beautiful solution and I love it. But that's just my point of view.